مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Arabic reading practice with comprehension for beginners with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. In today's lesson, we're going to learn some words with simple sentences. Shall we? Let's start. The first we're going to pronounce it. I want you to guess what are the letters. Yeah, and then we write those letters separately. Then we join it. Then we talk about the meaning. Shall we? Let's get on with it. So, the first one is طفل. طفل. First of all, how many letters can you hear? طفل. طفل. How many letters? There are 3 letters. What's the first one? طفل. The first one is to, not ta, to. And it's carrying kasra. Tui. Okay. What's the second letter you hear? طفل. The second letter is fa, and it's carrying sukun. What's the third letter? The third one is lam, and it's carrying 2 dhamma. Lun. Tuflun. 3 letters. 3 letters separately and 3 letters joined. Tuflun. Okay. What's the meaning of tuflun? Tuflun means a baby boy. Baby boy. Tuflun. Tuflun. Okay. What was the baby girl would be? The baby girl would be طفلة. 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 How many letters can you hear? طفلة. طفلة. You're right. 4 letters. What's the last letter of طفلة? طفلة. The last letter is ta, but it's a special ta. Ta marbuta. Tied up ta. Okay? طفلة. Baby girl. طفلة. So separately, to, fa, lam, and ta marbuta. طفلة. Joined. طفلة. طفلة. Good. Let's see whether we can put in a very simple sentence, shall we? Let's try. Let's say هذا. هذا. When I say هذا, how many letters can you hear? هذا. How many letters and what are they? هذا. Yes, you hear the first letter is ha, not ha, and not a. And not a, is ha, soft H. Ha. Okay. What's the second letter can you hear? هذا. Although you can hear the, as you can hear when I say ha, as if there is a lengthening alif there. Ha. But it is not written. It's one of those very, very few areas where you say and it's not written down. There is a lengthening alif there, which you say, but you don't necessarily, you don't need to write it. So ha, followed by dhal, dhal, and then lengthening alif. هذا. هذا means this is masculine, or this if it's followed by masculine noun. This. I hope you're following me. Okay. Then we say الطفل. الطفل. Now, when I say الطفل, how many letters can you hear? الطفل. الطفل. I can tell you there are alif, lam, to, fa, and lam. 5 letters. 5 letters. But one of them, you're not hearing it. It's suppressed. Which one? So let's write it together first. So you have alif, lam, to, fa, and lam. We say at-tiflu. The to after the lam is carrying shadda and it's carrying kasra. At-tif, fa sukun, and then lu. You see, the first lam after the alif is suppressed. Why? Because the letter after it is carrying shadda. It's shamsiyya, we call it. We learned that before. So we say هذا الطفل, which means this baby boy. هذا الطفل is baby boy. Okay? And the rest? له, how many letters? له, how many letters can you hear? So 2 letters. Lam and ha carrying dhamma. Lahu, has. This baby boy has what? Sha'run. Sha'run. How many letters? Sha'run. 3 letters. What are they? You hear shin, fatha, sha'run. What's the second letter? Sha. The second letter is ain. Sha, and is carrying sukun. Sha. The last letter is ra, carrying 2 dhamma. Sha'run. Sha'run means hair. If I don't have any. Sha'run. Okay. Sha'run. So هذا الطفل له شعر أشقر. أشقر. How many letters? أشقر. 4 letters. What are they? You have Hamza, Alif, Hamza on top of Alif, and then Shin with Sukun, Ash, Ashqa, Ashqaru, Ashqaru. What's the third letter? It's Qaf, not Kaf. Ashqa, Ashqa. The last letter is Ra, Ashqaru. Ashqaru means blonde. So the sentences is this. هذا الطفل له شعر أشقر. هذا الطفل له شعر أشقر. This baby boy has blonde hair. Brilliant. Okay, let's look at the baby girl then. We say هذه, not هذا. We say هذه. Again, you have a ha with a lengthening or written alif. هذه. Then ذال with kasra, the, followed by ha with kasra. هذه also means this is or this, followed by feminine noun. Okay, هذه. And then we say الطفلة. الطفلة. Again, you have alif, lam, ta, fa, lam, ta marbuta. The first lam, which is followed by ta, is suppressed. It's there, but you can't hear it. الطفلة. So هذه الطفلة, this baby girl, this little girl, لها. لها, how many letters? لها, 3 letters. Lam, fatha, la, and then ha, fatha, ha, followed by lengthening alif. Laha, that means has. This baby girl or little girl has sha'run. We know sha'run, that's hair. Sha'run. Ja'diyun. Aha. How many letters? Ja'diyun. Ja'diyun. 4 letters. Jim, fatha, ja. And then ain, sukun, ja. Followed by dal. That's dal, not dot. Dal, kesra, d. And then ya, with shadda. 2 dhamma. Ja'diyun. Ja'diyun means curly. So this baby girl, this little girl has curly hair. هذه الطفلة لها شعر جعدي. Yes, you're doing very well. We just need to take it bit by bit because that's the way we can consolidate our vocabulary, improve the pronunciation as well. You see, you're doing very well. Can you do a bit more? A bit more? Yes, let's do a bit more. Okay. Another vocabulary. Let's look at the waladun. Waladun, how many letters do you can hear? Waladun. Waladun. 3 letters. What are they? Simple letters, really. Waw, lam, and dal. Waladun. Waladun means a child, but it's used for a boy. Another word we can use for this is sobiyun. Sobiyun. 3 letters. Sobiyun. And so, that's sabiyun. So, sobiyun. Sod, fatha, sa, ba, kasra, and then ya, shadda. 2 tanween. Sobiyun. That means a boy, a little boy. A boy, shall we say? Waladun. Waladun. Okay. Waladun. What about a girl? We can say bintun. Bintun. Bintun has 3 letters as well. And they are ba, kasra, bi. Noon, sukun, bin, and then ta. And this is an open ta, 2 dhamma. Bintun, a girl. We can also say sobiyatun. Sobiyatun. 4 letters. Sobiyatun. Sod, fatha, sa, ba, kasra, bi, ya, shadda, fatha, ya, and then ta marbuda. Sobiyatun. Okay. Shall we use them as one simple sentence? Yes. So always very useful. Let's start with the boy. Let's say, what can we say? We can say هذا الولد. هذا, we know هذا already. This boy, هذا الولد, this boy. هذا الولد, this boy. له. We've done that before. له. That means has. What? Let's use wajhun. Wajhun. How many letters? Wajhun. 3 letters. What are they? Waw, fatha, wa. Jim, sukun. Waj, and then ha, with 2 dhamma. Hun. Not ha. Ha. Wajhun. Wajhun means face. Wajhun. Okay. So هذا الولد له wajhun. This boy has, and we know the face, let's describe it. Wadudun. Wadudun. How many letters? Wadudun. How many letters can you hear? Wadudun. Wadudun. 4 letters. What are they? Wow. Wa. Dal. Dhamma. And then lengthening wow. Wadu. Followed by another dal. 2 dhamma. Wadudun. And that's me, friendly. So, هذا الولد له وجه ودود. This boy has a friendly face. هذا الولد له وجه ودود. Let's do the same thing for a girl. You know, we're not going to say هذا, we're going to say هذه. هذه البنت. هذه البنت. البنت, this girl. هذه البنت, this girl. لها, not له, لها, 3 letters, has wajhun. Let's use wajhun again. Wajhun, face. Let's describe it as friendly as well. Wadudun. Laha wajhun wadudun, has friendly face. هذه البنت لها وجه ودود. Here we are. So you can change the adjective from wadudun, friendly, to, let's say, latifun. Latifun, wajhun latifun. Again, very pleasant face. Here we are. I think we stop here. This is how I'm planning to conduct this particular series. Slowly but surely. I hope you will like it, and that will allow us to practice the reading and pronunciation and comprehension. Learn vocabulary, you build it bit by bit, and that, I believe, will help us to master the language, inshallah. Well done, and thank you for following this series. And please subscribe if you haven't done so, and send the link for me. Recommend it to the whole world for me. Thank you so much. And don't forget that I have a charity that we're fundraising for, and it's called helpinghandsforeducation.org. Please help us. We're trying to build an educational resource center for the needy children of my hometown, Ogbomoso, southwestern Nigeria. And thank you so much for some of you who have helped us so far. Thank you so much. Shukran jazilan. شكر الله لكم. جزاكم الله خيرا. أحسن الله إليكم. وأدخل السرور إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.